morning, YouTube. Just want to do a quick update on my goal to make my shed here a little shop. So another step in that direction was getting a drill press for some small jobs that small stuff that little projects I want to work on. Again, this is everything I do on this channel is all hobby stuff. It's not my full-time job. I have a full-time job. There's no way I'd make money with the speed I do stuff in the amount of knowledge I know. So, but I enjoy doing it, so that's why I make these videos, just for the enjoyment. So come along for the ride. So one of the things I wanted to make a few more of these types of kickstands, because I have at least one more of these hitches that doesn't have a kickstand mount on it. So that job plus a few others I want to make here at home. I don't have to do the time at work. So I got this drill press and a drill vise. So just to make stuff like that and a few other projects that I have in the works. So I picked this up this week. It's fully functional. It's an old 1950s Craftsman. I think it's a model 150. It's a 1/2-inch chuck. It is a 3.25 horse motor, so got enough power to do the jobs I want, and it's all in working condition. It's not the prettiest of things, but hey, it works. So it'll definitely come in handy, so I don't have to wait to bring stuff to work on it. One of the other things, so because I got this and because I'm so constrained on space, my also plan is to push my my blast box and my fire cabinet. They're sticking out of the wall. You can't see now because it's too dark back there, but this shed used to be a 10 by 12, and then I expanded to 10 by 23 because there was tons of boards. A tree had fallen on the corner. I didn't realize it was letting water into the shed, and was rotting out all the boards. And then I had massive amounts of carpenter ants munching on some of the cross members. And then so instead of just replacing the stuff, I decided to just expand it. So the original 10 by 12 shed has a big shelf behind this fire cabinet, and I just store stuff on it right now. But looking at it, it's hard to get to, it's hard to reach stuff. Yeah, it stores stuff, but it's just very inefficient with the space. So my plan is to tear that shelf down, maybe tear the one that's above it, and then push the flammable cabinet against the wall, push the blast box all the way up against maybe those 2x4s, those posts. Maybe I'll leave those, maybe I won't, I don't know, we'll see. And then create the space in this area, and then figure out where I'm going to put the drill press. So that's my my next project to come on the works, but I just wanted to give you a quick update. So it's I love doing this stuff, and glad it's some warmer weather coming. So we dodged nor'easter number 4. So thanks for watching, and talk to you guys soon.